Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the mouse. Make sure the power is on and batteries are charged, or that the USB receiver is seated. Once done, open Chromebook settings and go to Bluetooth or insert the receiver. Pairing starts immediately. If Bluetooth, select the mouse name and confirm any PIN. This links input to the device. Make sure to keep the mouse within 3 to 6 feet during pairing, because distance affects signal reliability and reduces retries. Once paired, open settings, then device and mouse and touchpad to tune responsiveness. Adjust pointer speed for precision and set scroll direction to match how you think. You can enable or disable right-click and tap-to-click. This affects how you interact with apps and web pages. If your mouse has extra buttons, map them only with supported Chrome OS extensions. Otherwise, default functions work well. Make small increments when changing speed, so you learn the new. You finish by testing the mouse across common tasks. Click links, drag files, and select text to confirm accuracy. If motions lag or buttons misfire, first replace batteries or recharge, move away from USB 3. Zero hubs and metal objects and bring the mouse closer to reduce interference. If problems persist, unpair and repair the device, restart your Chromebook, and make sure Chrome OS is updated. This often fixes driver and compatibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.